Welcome to my channel. How does artificial intelligence AI work? Artificial intelligence, often called AI, has rapidly become one of the most transformative technologies of the modern world. From smartphones that recognize your voice to recommendation systems that understand your preferences, AI quietly powers many tools people use every day. Yet many people still ask an important question. How does artificial intelligence actually work? In this video, you will gain a clear and professional understanding of the principles behind AI, how machines learn from data, and why this technology continues to reshape industries across the globe. Artificial intelligence refers to computer systems designed to perform tasks that require human that normally require human intelligence. I repeat that. Artificial intelligence refers to computer systems designed to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. These tasks include learning from experience, understanding language, recognizing patterns, solving problems, and making decisions. Unlike traditional computer programs that follow fixed instructions written by programmers, AI systems improve their performance by analyzing information and discovering patterns on their own. At the heart of AI is data. Machines cannot learn without examples. Engineers feed large amounts of structured or unstructured or engineers feed a large amount they feed large amounts of structured or unstructured data into algorithms so that systems can identify relationships and trends. For example, if an AI model is trained to recognize images of animals, it studies thousands or even millions of labeled pictures. Over time, it begins to understand the features that distinguish one object from another. Machine learning is the most common method used to build artificial intelligence systems today. Machine learning allows computers to learn from data instead of relying entirely on manual programming. Developers create, developers create mathematical models that adjust themselves through repeated exposure to examples. During training, the systems compare itself. During training, the system compares its predictions with correct answers and gradually reduces errors. One important concept in machine learning is the algorithm. An algorithm is a set of mathematical rules that guides how the system processes information. Some algorithms classify information, others predict outcomes, and some identify patterns hidden inside complex data sets. The effectiveness of an AI system depends greatly on the quality of the algorithm and the data used during training. Another essential component is neural networks. Neural networks are inspired by the structure of the human brain. They consist of layers of interconnected nodes that process information step by step. Each layer, each layer, each layer extracts increasingly complex features from the data. For instance, when recognizing faces, early layers may detect edges and shapes, while deeper layers identify eyes, expressions, and unique characteristics. Deep learning is a specialized area within machine learning that uses very large neural networks with many layers. Deep learning models excel at tasks. Deep learning models excel at tasks such as speech recognition, translation, medical image analysis, and autonomous driving. Their strength lies in their ability to automatically discover meaningful features without extensive manual intervention. Training, training an AI model requires significant computational power. Modern systems rely on advanced processors capable of handling millions of calculations simultaneously. During training, the model repeatedly adjusts internal parameters called weights. These adjustments allow the systems to gradually improve accuracy. Uh, data, data preparation also plays a major role in how artificial intelligence works. Raw data often contains errors, duplicates, or inconsistencies. Engineers clean and organize the data before training begins. High quality data helps prevent a notification distracts me from my computer. Let's continue. High High quality data helps prevent bias and improves reliability. Poor data, on the other hand, can lead to incorrect or unfair decisions. Artificial intelligence systems learn through different approaches. Supervised learning uses labeled examples where correct answers are already known. Unsupervised learning identifies patterns without predefined labels. Reinforcement learning allows machines to learn through rewards and penalties while interacting with an environment. Each approach serves different purposes depending on the problem being solved. AI does not truly think or feel like humans. Instead, it relies on probability and statistical reasoning. When an AI chatbot responds to a question, it calculates the most likely response based on patterns learned during training. Similarly, recommendation engines predict what users may enjoy by analyzing previous behavior. At this stage, if this video has an educational value or if it is interesting, take a moment to subscribe to my channel to stay updated. Turn on notifications so that you don't miss my next video. And engage with my video by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Furthermore, if you need a thumbnail designer, a script writer, or a video producer who will be making videos like this for your channel, contact me and I'll perform the task for you the way you want, because I am the producer of all the videos on this channel. Now let us continue exploring how artificial intelligence operates in real-world environments. After training, an AI model enters what is known as the inference stage. During inference, the system applies what it has learned to new information. For example, a trained medical imaging system analyzes new scans and predicts possible conditions based on learning patterns. Evaluation is another important step. Developers test AI models using separate datasets that were not part of the of training. This helps determine whether the system truly understands patterns or simply memorized examples. Continuous evaluation ensures accuracy and safety before deployment. Artificial intelligence also depends heavily on feedback loops. Once deployed, many systems continue learning from new data. Streaming services refine recommendations as viewing habits change. Navigation applications improve route predictions based on traffic updates. This ongoing learning allows AI to adapt to changing environments. Ethics and responsibility are becoming central topics in AI development because AI systems influence hiring decisions, healthcare diagnosis, healthcare diagnosis, financial approvals, and online information access. Fairness, fairness and transparency are essential. I repeat that. Um, because AI systems influence hiring decisions, healthcare diagnosis, financial approvals, and online information access, fairness and transparency are essential. Developers work to reduce bias, protect privacy, and ensure accountability. Another fascinating aspect of AI is natural language processing. This field enables machines to understand and generate human language. It allows virtual assistants to interpret voice commands and translation systems to convert text between languages. Natural language processing combines linguistics, statistics, and deep learning techniques. Computer vision represents another powerful branch of artificial intelligence. It enables machines to interpret visual information from images and videos. Applications include facial recognition, quality inspection in manufacturing, medical diagnostics, and safety monitoring. AI also works together with robotics. Robot equipped with artificial intelligence can navigate environments. I repeat, robots equipped it robots equipped with artificial intelligence can navigate environments, recognize objects, and perform complex physical tasks. In warehouses, robots organize inventory efficiently. In agriculture, intelligent machines monitor crops and optimize harvesting. Despite impressive progress, artificial intelligence still has limitations. AI systems require significant data and computational resources. They may struggle with unfamiliar situations outside their training experience. Human oversight remains essential to interpret results and ensure responsible use. The future of artificial intelligence involves collaboration between humans and machines. Rather than replacing people entirely, AI often enhances productivity by automating repetitive tasks. Professionals can then focus on creativity, strategy, and problem solving. Researchers continue exploring advanced models. Researchers continue exploring advanced models. I take that again. Researchers continue exploiting advanced models capable of reasoning, planning, and understanding context more deeply. As computing power increases and datasets expand, AI systems are expected to become more accurate and more widely accessible. Understanding how artificial intelligence works helps individuals and businesses prepare for technological change. Whether used in education, healthcare, finance, entertainment, or communication, AI is becoming an essential part of everyday life. In conclusion, artificial intelligence works by combining data, algorithms, computational power, and continuous learning. Machines analyze examples, discover patterns, adjust mathematical parameters, and apply learned knowledge to new situations. While AI does not possess human consciousness, it delivers remarkable capabilities that continue to transform society and open new opportunities for innovation. Now, I want to remind you that I can design eye-catching thumbnails for your videos. I can also write your video scripts or even make videos like this for your channel. Finally, before you leave, if this video is informative, do not forget to subscribe to my channel to stay updated and to stay informed rather. Turn on notifications so that you not miss my next video. Also, engage with my video by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Endeavor to watch my other videos also to learn more. Bye until my next video.